Hello friends, it is Lori from McNeil Design Group Interiors. I'm here in the studio and I have received some presents from our lovely supplier POMELLI Designs. They do solid hardware, stunning solid hardware that can completely transform a kitchen, a bathroom, custom cabinetry. And we love the designs. I'm going to unbox them. I did take a peek, but I'm going to unbox them for you. First one up. Oh, so beautiful. This is their solid brass collection. Brand new collection. Let me rotate it for you and show you. Brushed brass. It's very weighty, really good weight to it, and just really, really gorgeous. Look at the side profile on those. Stunning. My particular little favorite in the box, I must say, is this knob right here. What I love about it is that the post is not on center. The post is a little higher up to the one end, so it really gives this elongation here. Beautiful little grab with the finger, and the finish is just so lovely. I love the presentation boxes. The box, like, the finish on the box is so now. It's gorgeous. Good job, guys. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna set this baby over here and go to my next box. What do we have? Yes, absolutely love this collection. It is beautiful. Comes backplated or backplated, and it is the Cliffside collection. Stunning. Look at that. Polished chrome, brushed brass, and matte black. What I really love about this collection, I love the versatility of you can backplate it or no backplate, but I love this. I love this little round here. Absolutely stunning. Does not catch on pockets because any of the hardware that hangs over a little bit, it looks beautiful. But if you're at a certain height, it loves to grab your pockets and rip them. So no faster way to trash a nice suit than catching on there. But these are stunning, absolutely stunning. This knob here comes plated or unplated, but look at that detail. Absolutely stunning. Thank you. We are definitely gonna find a home for you. We're gonna have to find a home for every single one of these. Oh. Lovely. Ooh, love this. Sleek, sleek, sleek. Look at that straight on. Look at that sideways. Beautiful. And this is the Kleinberg collection. Polished chrome, brushed nickel, matte black. Our favorite finishes. Love them. Classic. What I really love about this collection is, obviously, as I just said 5 seconds ago, straight on, stunning, sleek. Turn that baby sideways and thinking about viewpoints when you're coming into a kitchen, an entertainment room, anywhere that there's stunning cabinetry. And that side profile is just spectacular. Really, really love this one too. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Matches what we love to do here at McNeil Design Group Interiors. Okay, my last one. Oh, yes. So this is the Blainville collection. It is a hex shape, so it's got lots of tactile texture to it, which is really, really nice. Stunning finishes. And I like this detail too, where we have the matte black and the polished chrome. I really like that, and that they can be blended and changed. I think that's fabulous. Also this black on black, absolutely stunning. Really nice, lots of sizing with it. Really nice collection, really nice. Well, I must say, you have outdone yourselves, POMELLI. Thank you so much, so appreciated, and we'll be talking to you soon. Bye-bye, guys. Have a great day.